Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Dishrack Adjuster Positioner Clip on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Kenmore, Amana, and more. The Adjuster Positioner Clip is part of the adjuster assembly, which supports, raises, and lowers the upper dish rack. If the positioner clip breaks or is damaged, the upper dish rack may not be adequately supported and may not raise or lower properly. If you need a new Dishrack Adjuster Positioner Clip for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Note the steps in this video apply to both the left and right Dishrack Adjuster Positioner Clips. Start by opening the dishwasher's door and pulling the upper rack forward. The Adjuster Positioner Clip is located here on the adjuster assembly. To remove, pry in the back of the positioner clip while gently pulling up to release the locking tab. Then, slide the clip up while fully extending the adjuster. Pull it forward and rotate to remove. If you need to purchase a new Dishrack Adjuster Positioner Clip, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, insert the positioner clip at an angle and rotate it so that the bars seat between the tabs. Then, insert the tab on the adjuster to the hole in the clip. Press down on the clip until it snaps back into place. Finally, slide the rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.